First thing you're gonna do is unplug your bulb. Now take the rubber piece that goes around the bulb. Now it should be a hanger holding your bulb in place. Unclip that, take the bulb out. Whenever we install the LEDs, it will have teeth on there just like this bulb here. So whenever you insert it to the headlight, it will sit right in place. Insert your LED, make sure you put the pin around it. This is the rubber piece that used to go around your bulb, but since we have LEDs now, it no longer fits, so we need to cut the hole a little bit bigger so it can wrap around the LED perfectly.